what would you say are the key functions of digital twins in manufacturing that help address those problems?
Yeah, we see sort of three key areas of which digital twins cut across all three of these. Really starting with the industrial data ops, this is really about collecting the OT data, contextualizing that data, enriching that data, and preparing it for all different types of analysis. So that's sort of the first key function that digital twins cut across and enhance that. The second one is the industrial AI ops. The reason why we want to curate all that data is because we want to apply AI on top of that, and to do that optimization that we talked about to address those challenges is really what is the second piece, and digital twins sort of cut across that as well. And then the third is around enterprise integration. So being able to take data from the plant floor, not only contextualize it, enrich it, and apply AI against it, but to really integrate it in with the workflows of the enterprise. Workflows like planning, production planning, workflows like R&D and quality development, and these things that are happening at the enterprise level need to be integrated in with these plant floor operations. Excuse me. And digital twins cut across all three of those big areas, and at the very base level, they provide the context around which all of that optimization across all three of those layers, if you will, are being done. And the simple concept of having a digital representation of your physical equipment and processes in your plant is common, needs to be common across all three of those activities.